Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power briefly to clear transient glitches. This often simplifies the reset. Once done, locate the TV's physical buttons along the bottom or back. Power plus volume and input are common. If there's a recessed reset hole, use a paper clip. Otherwise, combine power plus volume down or menu sequences. You're doing this to trigger the TV's hardware reset pathway rather than relying on an absent remote, so proceed now and keep movements deliberate. Now perform the core sequence carefully. Press and hold power with volume down for about 15 to 30 seconds. This forces the set into a recovery or service mode. If the recessed reset is used, press firmly for 10 to 15 seconds until an LED blink or splash screen appears. Once you reach an on-screen menu, make selections using volume to move and input to confirm. You're triggering the TV's internal software to wipe settings and restore defaults, so wait for confirmation prompts before moving on. Finish by letting the TV fully reboot for 5 to 10 minutes. The set reinitializes channels, network, and may apply firmware updates, so be patient. If nothing happens, repeat the hardware sequence after a full power cycle, or try controlling the TV with a smartphone IR or Bluetooth remote app if supported. This can access menus you can't reach with buttons. If problems persist, record the model number and contact Vizio support. They can advise model-specific recovery steps or arrange service to avoid damaging the unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.